Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Persistent Systems. Our analyst maintains buy on Persistent with an unchanged price target of Rs 5,500 as the company delivered industry-leading revenue growth in the recently declared Q1 result despite a challenging macro environment led by decent order booking, strong contribution from top clients, and broad-based demand across verticals. LTM attrition dropped sharply and utilization registered decent uptick during the quarter. Revenue contribution from the top client and top 5 was decent. While order booking moderated slightly during the quarter, it was largely anticipated after strong signings in Q3 and Q4. The management highlighted that they would endeavor for aspirational quarterly growth for 3 to 5% in a good economy and 2 to 4% in a bad economy. We expect 18% sales and 25% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY25 estimates. At the current market price, the stock trades at 29.9 times FY24 EPS and 24.2 times FY25 estimated EPS. Next on radar is Varun Beverages. Our analyst upgrades Varun Beverages to positive from neutral earlier with a potential upside of 18% over the next 12 months. Recent correction provides good entry opportunity coupled with strong earning visibility in medium to long term. VBL's Q2 calendar year 23 numbers were good amid an uncertain business environment as domestic demand was hit by unseasonal rains, while growth was driven by strong momentum in the international market. In the past 5 years, growth visibility has improved tremendously with the addition of new territories in the domestic market and expansion in international markets. Along with focus on investing in growth pillars, the company also has maintained its thrust on rewarding shareholders with consistent dividend payout through strong cash flow generation. Its revenue and PAT grew at CAGR of 18% and 21% over calendar year 22 to 25 estimates. Stock has corrected from highs and trade at decent valuation of 54.2 times its FY24 estimated EPS and 43.5 times its FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.